baseball card fever. I really got a baseball card fever. It started with my very first pack. A dozen.
Hey, what is up, collectors? Diego here to take you on a sports card detour. And this detour is basically going through my fourth toolbox of some fun stuff that I have inside of it. I did the first portion of the video. This is going to be the second. And we're going to dig into what's inside here. All those cards that I just pushed to the side were from the first one. So let's see what we have for the next video. Basically like a little rummage through my toolbox. This toolbox is usually the one that I think that I got to take to a card show and sell all my cards, but I never end up taking them. I end up keeping them instead. What I have here right now is a David Johnson Spectacle for the Arizona Diamondbacks. That's from Spectra. Number to 199, Prism. Nice shiny card. Here we've got one of my Steelers, James Washington. Steelers Origins. A giant mammoth patch of Alex Collins for Playbook. Number to 199. And I think I got like this thing here. I don't know why that's back there, but you don't see the back of the card. Flashback Fabrics, Carson Palmer, number to 299. Here we got another autograph of Josh Shaw for the Bengals, number to 99. Here's Julio Jones, Pitch Black from Obsidian. That's a pretty cool looking card, especially with the colors. Light doesn't do it justice in here, but it's definitely a shiny card. It's numbered to 75. Julio Jones. I think he's no longer with the Falcons too. I can't say Matakevich with the Steelers rookie card auto. Although I haven't seen him play. Thurman Thomas. This is like a buyback, I guess. Thurman Thomas. Number to 1989. Here's a printing plate of Devontae Freeman. This is cyan color. Here I got a basketball card of Stephen Curry, number to 75 from Ascension. I have a Leonard Fournette for the Jacksonville Jaguars, number to 99. I like this card right here. Barry Sanders, Canton Kings, number to 99. Little patch there. Rookie card of for the New Orleans Saints, P.J. Williams. Rookie auto, number to 299. Josh Huff autograph to 200. Got two of these. Adam Brenneman, number to 49 autograph rookie card. And then I got another one. Number to 99. This one's number to 49. I think it's because it's red and the other one's purple or maroon. They're two different colors. I don't know how we can see that good, but they're two different colors. This one's 49, this one's 99. From Press Pass, I have a Tommy Frazier, Go Big Red. I don't know what that is for. For the Carolina Panthers, a DJ Moore, number to 99. Autograph. Relic card of Zay Jones for the Buffalo Bills. James Washington, Origins, rookie patches. Chop these down. I got another Zay Jones. This time it's an autograph, number to 49 from Origins. Here I got a Austin Hooper, number 1 of 25 rookie card. Atlanta Falcons. Falcons were always cheap. This one was given to me by a member of one of the breaks. It was a hand auto card, and this is Vinny Testaverde. I believe he would go by the name Papa Bear. He also has a eBay store, Papa Bear. Kevin Parks. Here's a Tevin Reese rookie card with an autograph. Autograph of Marcus Williams from Leaf Draft. Vic Beasley. Yeah. Panini Day. Here's Chad Williams. Rookie card to 150 autograph. And then I have an autograph of Justin Evans, number to 99, for the Tampa Bay Bucks. Before the GOAT got there, Tom Brady. See what else we have. A Duke Johnson autograph, number to 400, I believe. Where was that? No, that's 800. Then I got a number to 800 Sammy Coates for my Steelers. Acetate card from Strata. Josh Malone. An autograph of CJ Beathard for the 49ers. That's 1 to 199. Jake Butt. Rookie card. I got a Spectra of Calvin Benjamin Sunday Spectacles. It's a pretty cool card. That's to 99. Here's a Blake Bortles. Blake Bortles rookie card. Got a Kiki Coty, number to 75. This is Dane Evans. I don't know who Dane Evans is. But apparently this was 2017. I don't know if he's playing, but I got an autograph of him. And I like this card. It's a Mike Williams card. It's real shiny from Unparalleled. Pretty cool. For the once San Diego Superchargers. And then we got a Rookie Threads of Todd Gurley. This is also pretty cool. There's not much left in here, so I'm going to just go ahead and finish this whole box off. Usually I do it on 3 videos. I got a Gavin Cecchini rookie signatures, number to 299 for the New York Yankees, I believe. I have a Greg Allen autograph relic. Here is a Taylor Widener, but this is a pretty sweet relic card. I like it for the Arizona Diamondbacks. Here's Eddie Rosario with the Twins. Autograph patch. Trying to remember. Devin Travis. Autograph here. Another autograph of Manny Margot with some relics. Here's a relic card of Steven Souza, Tampa Bay Rays. Autograph and patch of Shelby Miller. This was from Museum Collection, number to 199. Another Leaf card of Keontae Davis. For the Steelers, a James Washington rookie card autograph, numbered 99 of 99. That's a pretty cool card for me. Why is it not in the top loader besides me? But anyway, Tyler Irvin from San Jose, number to 199. Collegiate card. Here's an Emmanuel Sanders autograph card on an acetate from Strata, number to 99. Then we got from XR, TJ Logan for the Cardinals. Got a Jason Verrett, rookie with the camo, to 150. Another CJ or Chris Wormley for the Ravens. I got a Marion Grice for San Diego Chargers, the camo. Kiki Kuti, rookie auto. Chris Warren. This looks like it's a TTM card. Not that one that I sent out, but looks like that's where the autograph came from. A Bryant Westbrook from Press Pass 97. And then the final card is a Glenn Coffey for the 49ers football card. And there you go. So pretty cool. So that is everything inside the toolbox. Only 2 videos this time. I hope you guys enjoyed the little detour that I took you on. Basically, until next time, I'm just say peace out, collectors.